Hey music lovers, ever imagined getting paid to jam to your favorite tunes? Well, guess what? It's not a fantasy, it's BWAVE. This awesome platform lets you earn cash just by listening to music. Forget complicated gigs, BWAVE makes earning online fun and easy. Whether you're into pop, rock or hip-hop, BWAVE has something for everyone. Get ready to turn up the volume and watch your bank account groove. Want to make some extra cash? BWAVE is your ticket to financial freedom, one song at a time. It's super simple. You listen. BWAVE pays. No special skills needed, just a love for music. Join me on this exciting journey and discover how to make money doing what you love. Ready to start cashing in on your passion for music? Let's dive right in. In the next section, I'll guide you through the easy-peasy steps to join the BWAVE community and start earning today. Joining BWAVE is a piece of cake. Just head to their website and hit that sign up button. It's like tuning into your favorite radio station, but way more rewarding. Enter your email and create a secure password. You'll need it to access your hard-earned cash. Once you're all signed up, BWAVE will send a confirmation email. Just click the link and boom, you're officially part of the BWAVE crew. Now let's set up your withdrawal method. This is how you'll receive your sweet earnings. Choose from options like PayPal, bank transfer, or even gift cards. And that's it. You're all set to start earning money by listening to music. It's that simple. No complicated forms, no hidden fees. Just pure musical bliss and extra cash in your pocket. Okay, let's talk about the fun part. Making money with BWAVE, you earn for every second you spend listening to music. It's like getting a mini concert paycheck every day. Explore different genres, discover new artists, and watch your earnings grow with each song. BWAVE offers a variety of listening tasks to keep things interesting. You might listen to a new release, discover hidden gems curated by their music experts, or even rate songs to improve their recommendations. Each task comes with a specific payout, usually between $4.80 and $5.50 per song. And the best part, you can listen anytime, anywhere. Commuting to work, BWAVE. Chilling at home, BWAVE. Walking the dog, BWAVE. It's the perfect side hustle for music lovers who want to earn on their own terms. Ready to crank up your earnings even further? BWAVE offers some awesome bonus features. Introducing BWAVE's AI-powered music discovery tool. This smart feature learns your taste and recommends songs you'll love, maximizing your earning potential. But wait, there's more. BWAVE also has a killer referral program. Share your unique referral link with your friends, family, even your pet parrot. Hey, they love music too. When they join and start earning, you get a sweet referral bonus. It's a win-win situation. So, what are you waiting for? Join BWAVE today and turn your passion for music into a profitable side hustle. Start earning, start jamming, and experience the future of music listening.